Hi there everyone, let's take a look at Insta Pot multi-cooker that I had almost for 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. I will show you how it works and we'll make something real quick so you see how things are done. So we got this top that comes off, and there is this valve that releases pressure or keeps the pressure inside if you choose to. Then we have the insert where the things are happening, and then it's cooking, and this part that's the cooking, and of course the plug. Let me turn it on. Once you plug it in, you will hear this noise, and then you got options: soup, meat, stew, beans, chili, cake, egg, slow cook, saute, pressure cook, yogurt, sterilize, steam, not sure how to pronounce the rest, and rice. So we are going to start with sauteing some meat, and then I'm gonna switch to this setting, and it's gonna be one meal. We're just gonna saute some meat and then add water and vegetables and finish up that dish on this setting without changing, switching, and having multiple different pots and pans. Oops. I will put on saute, and it usually gives you kind of preset amount of minutes, but you can definitely change it, put more or less. And this is the valve where you put it on vent or you put it on seal. This little thing, pressure will push it up and it will stay up, meaning it's pressurized. At the end, if you want to release the pressure, you switch it over. However, I usually use like the back of the spoon without having steam on your hand. When you have set on vent, it's constantly steaming. And here I'm done with sauteing. It is off. Now straight into here, I'm gonna add other ingredients, and I'm gonna have it on different setting to complete the meal. I find it super convenient. Maximum capacity is showing on here, and to put it on stew, 12 minutes. That's gonna be borscht coming in, and we're gonna put the lid on, and it says lid because you need to close it. It has to line up with, see how it's unlocked over here, unlocked here. So you take it, you twist it, line it up with lock, and once it's closed, I want it to be pressure cooked. One more thing I wanted to show, this indicates that it's cooking, and P is for pressurized. And it's done. This part is all the way up because of the pressure, and we are not able to open the lid, so it has to naturally release the pressure, or we're gonna help by switching this nozzle over here, and it will release the pressure. And it is down. Now we can go ahead and open. Voila. And I've been using for almost 3 years. Insta Pot Duo Plus.